After having visited the world-famous Padmanabhaswamy Temple and Kovalam Beach, the video of which has already been uploaded last week. This video is a continuation from the previous episode where we visited the Poovar Island on the same day. We set off to our next destination towards the backwaters of Poovar Island, which was alongside the Neyyar River, which flows and meets the mighty Arabian Sea. Covered in the serene backwaters of Kerela and situated in the southern tip of Thiruvananthapuram, which is also the capital of Kerala. The backwaters of Poovar Island is the most popular and famous tourist destination, which is known worldwide. At the Backwaters cruise house, we paid an amount of rupees 4,000 for a motorboat cruise for a duration of just 1 hour. We were also told by the boatman, who also acted as a guide showing us the island around, that the scenes from the super hit Hollywood movie Anaconda was shot amidst the mist of these mangroves in this island. We tried to gather information and authenticate what the boatman confidently said. However, we did not find any such information from the internet and others that the movie Anaconda was shot here. If you all have any such information about it from any sources, do let us know, as we feel such informations provided by the boatman or any others is misleading to the tourists and the public at large.
How much? 50. You'll take? पानी का कवाई है। छोटा छोटा फिश पकड़ेगा। ये
The itinerary of the motorboat cruise that we took moves to different locations through its backwaters of the Neyyar River. It covers the fishing villages, estuaries, the mangroves, elephant rocks, Mother Mary Shrine. It also shows us glimpses of the various resorts around the island. It will also take you for lunch at one of the floating restaurants and finally take you to the Golden Sand Beach, which is a thin strip of beach which is flanked by the Neyyar River on one side and the Arabian Sea on the other side. If you are planning to spend the night at this beautiful tropical paradise, then you can choose between floating cottages and land cottages for accommodation and enjoy a boat cruise of the backwaters from one of these cottages. Poovar Island is truly a paradise and a must-visit place if you are at Kerala. At the island, there were many floating restaurants serving both veg and non-veg cuisines. We stopped at one of the floating restaurants for lunch. We ordered ourselves crab masala and some rice and had an enjoyable and delicious meal. After having a food, we visited the Golden Sand Beach, a thin strip of beach where the tides are usually high. At the far off distance, you can also see the Neyyar River meeting the Arabian Sea.
का भी जाते
Kano niya may?
We will end this video with a piece of supari and pan. We will see you in our next episode. Thanks for watching.